In Microsoft PowerPoint, we can capture the screen actions. We have to define an area of screen to record. So there are certain options like you can record your audio and the mouse pointer. For that, you have to go to the ribbon, insert, and then we'll see how we can start the screen recording. This is how you get when you press the screen recording. This is record, this is the time which is being shown, select area, audio and record pointer. So both of these you can take, or any of these you can take. If you don't want default, click the selected area and just draw the dotted line by yourself. So you can select your own area. You can specify the option, as I said, audio, you just want audio, you don't want the pointer to be recorded. This is also possible. Any of these, both of these can be chosen. So this is just an example. See, my mouse is here, but I'm showing you that actual screen capturing is going on. As you see, this is in the PowerPoint, it is going on. So you can move cursor to top and display stop option. You just notice this text box animation in the coming scenario. I'll show you some steps which are done a little more professionally, and this is all going on. See, I am clicking here, but this is all screen capturing going on. Then transition and text animation, you want to control the slides. When one slide change to another slide, means the consecutive slide, how they are going to change, how text is displayed. For that we need transition and text animation. So you need to click transition and select one in the transition, and you can also control text. The control text, you have to click the animation. You can select the text and choose any one of these. So these are all the options. This is the transition, and these are different options I'm going to show you. Along with that, you have sound. You want to change the slides, you want sound also in between. You want to control the duration, means one slide to second slide transition. You want to change the time, 1 second, 2 seconds, and maybe more than that. You can highlight the text if you want to perform the animation. Click the animation tab and just pick the animation. These are all the different animations are there. So there is an entrance animation, there is an emphasis and animation, and there is an exit animation. Entrance, emphasis, and exit. You can also select the motion paths. So this is the shape we have chosen. So when it comes, it will give you shapes, different shapes. And in order to modify an animation, all you have done, you want to see, you can go to animation pane and you can just delete or change the properties. These are all the things which you can do with any of the single animation you want. Then the pointer pen. Pointer pen allows you to draw during presentation. I am showing you the PowerPoint presentation, and this is my pointer pen. See, I can write A, I can write B, I can write 2, 3, like this. I'm using my mouse and a pointer pen. You must start the presentation, then right click. You can select the pointer options, select pen type, color. This you can do. You can animate the slide objects. The images can be changed to enter, spin, react to a click. You can click the image, you can click the animations tab. See, there are different animations for an object, and you can add animation to word art also. These are 3 word art. See how you can add a custom animation. So this is a custom path. You can select that object and you can just say custom path, and this will show you the custom path. You can just decide what path do you want. I'll show you in practical. So this is these are the dotted path, and this will go exactly like this. Apart from that, you have more animations. So there are a number of animations you can choose, like this. This is going like this. It is following a dotted path which you have pre-decided, and again this is coming up, means it is entering. It's a entrance animation. So what are the rule of effects? Don't distract. Keep the objects, text, etc. to a minimum level. You should add the content or message of the presentation, and try to make a small presentation and don't make it dull. There are alternative presentation software like the Keynote, Impress, Google Docs, Prezi. These are few. There are number of alternative presentation software, and you can add the content, or you can add the thumbnail, you can say, or an icon on your ribbon if it is not there. See, we have just chosen one here, so you can choose any of these, say add, it will come here and it will change into this is a picture. So you can always add, or this was not there and you can add at any time. So let us go to the practical and see exactly what we have seen here. So let me open a new presentation for you. First, I'll show you the screen capturing. For that, what we have to do here is, let me go to insert. Here we have screen recording. So this record your computer screen and related audio before inserting the recording onto your slide. So now this is the area, and you can choose your own area also. I'm choosing, say, this area, right? And now you just have to say record. Now you want audio to be recorded, you can press this. You want to record pointer, you can press this. Means if they are selected, like I want audio, so I'll press this. I want to record pointer, I will press this. And now you just have to say record. So see, this is recording. It will tell you the time. This is my record. I'm recording my mouse, my sound, everything is being recorded. And here is the recording going on. I can pause it sometime, return back, I can stop it sometime, and when I stop, it will be captured on my screen. Now let me play it for you. See, so things are going on. Whatever I have done is being shown here. And one more important thing is, at any time you can just right click and you can save media as. Like, you want to screen capture, you want to make a YouTube video, you want to make a video for your students or any presentation, you can always save it like this. So I'm saving it, and let me go to that particular point and I can show you that video through VLC. This video we have just recorded, as you see here. So you can screen record. This is how screen recording is done. Now let us go back and come to another things which we have seen. Let me make some more slides. So this is, I'll just insert some picture here. Say this picture. And let me insert, say, some other stuff here. The smart shape, any of the shapes, say this one, right? And this I'll insert, say, some word art, PPT, PowerPoint presentation. Now I want to show you first how this is going to be shown. One slide, second slide, third slide. Now I want to add some transition, so I'll select all of these. Go to transition. These are multiple options. There are so many options you can choose. Say I'm choosing so this one. Now you just see how the things have changed. Second, third. So this is the transition thing which I'm trying to emphasize here. Now I can change the time also. I want the transition to be at least 2 seconds, and I want some sound, say some chime sound. So now 1, 2, and 3. The time has increased and some volume is also coming. And I can say no sound. Then I want this. I'm talking about animation now. Now I want this to come from somewhere. I want this to be exited, means I want to remove it when I work on this slide. So I will select this, go to animation. These are number of animations we have. I will say fade. So this, when I run this presentation, there will be nothing here. But when I press again, means click my mouse, this will come. Similar is the case with this one, but here I'm going to choose a different animation. I will try to exit it. So I'll make fly it out. Here I have some more options. So I will take some, say some custom path. I'll say custom path. This is my custom path. So let us see what happens here. First, okay, there is nothing. I am now clicking, so it will come. Going to another slide. Now I want to exit it or remove this. So it has gone. The third one is a custom path I have chosen. So it is going left, right, here and there, whichever path I have chosen. So the custom path it has taken. This was the path I chose, and I can edit this path anytime. You know, this is a simple path I have taken. I can change it anytime. Now when I run it, I want to use mouse pointer. So this is the mouse pointer. I can just select this. Say I want to use red one. Now I can write here. I can write here. I can change the color. I can use the laser pointer. See, I want to show something. There are other options also. I want to erase something, so I can erase it. So I want to erase it. I don't want this. Don't want this. So I can erase it anytime. Then there are other options I can choose. Highlighter is also there, so I can highlight while presenting something. I can go back and highlight something like this. So there are plenty of options which are with me when I'm dealing with or working with the pointers, that is the mouse pointer. So now I'm coming out. So we have seen about the screen capture, the different transition, the animation, and always with animation and transition we have different aspects which are related with it. You can just try it. And finally we saw the mouse pointer. So thank you so much and take care of yourself.